Stop wasting time doing manual money tasks. In this video, I'll show you 7 practical steps to automate your money using AI. From tracking spending automatically to setting up smart rules that save and invest for you. No hype, no complicated setups. Just clear, actionable steps you can start today. Pause 0, 6 South Step 1, connect and audit your accounts automatically. Start by using a secure aggregator or AI budgeting assistant. Tools like Clio, YNAB with AI Insights, or Plaid-powered dashboards connect your bank and credit cards safely. Once connected, let the AI run a 30-day audit. It will categorize transactions, service recurring charges, and flag unusual spending. Don't micromanage yet, just watch. The audit will show patterns you can't see in your head. Typical output, a list of top 5 expense categories, recurring subscriptions, and the single biggest monthly leak. Pause, review, and decide which leaks you want to fix first. Pause 0, 6 South Step 2. Automate your budget with rules, not reminders. AI tools can create budget rules that actually work. For example, move $300 to groceries every 2 weeks, or if spending and dining exceeds $120 in a week, lock extra card usage. This is different from alerts. Rules act instantly and reduce decision fatigue. Set up 3 core rules for the first month: essentials, savings, and fun. Keep them strict for 30 days, then relax by 10% if needed. You'll be surprised how much friction you eliminate and how much you actually save when decisions are automatic. Pause 0, 6 South Step 3, cancel what you don't use automatically. One of the easiest wins is subscription cleanup. Use an AI subscription manager like Rocket Money or similar. Let the AI detect recurring charges. Then, use batch canceling or one-click cancel flows. Don't be sentimental. If you didn't use it last month, cancel it. Pro tip, check yearly charges hidden as monthly microtransactions. Many services hide annual fees behind small monthly entries. Pause 0, 6 South Step 4, use AI-driven price trackers and couponers. When you buy online, never pay full price without checking. Install an AI price tracker and coupon engine in your browser, Honey, Camel, and similar tools. Set alerts for items you care about. AI models can predict the best season or week to buy a product. Example, a new monitor usually dips in price after the industry sales windows. Wait for the pattern and you'll save 10 to 30% without hunting coupons manually. Pause 0, 6 South Step 5, automate micro investing and saving. Many apps use AI to round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Some go further. AI models allocate funds into low-fee ETFs or diversified portfolios based on little questionnaires. Set it and forget it, but verify the risk profile. Start with a small percentage of your daily rounding. Watch it grow. This is passive, low-effort investing. Over time, the compound effect is real, and the friction is almost zero. Pause 0, 6 South Step 6, use AI for smart negotiation and bills. AI can help negotiate bills or find cheaper providers. There are services that analyze telecom, electricity, insurance bills and suggest better plans. You can combine this with rule-based automation if a cheaper plan appears. The AI notifies you and can even start switching paperwork or initiate a port for bigger recurring bills, cable, internet, phone. This step alone can save a substantial percentage of monthly costs. Pause 0, 6 South Step 7, create automated review routines and safety nets. Automation isn't set and forget without guardrails. Schedule a monthly 15-minute review with your AI dashboard. During this review, check for canceled subscriptions that reappear, weird charges, and failed transfers. Also create safety nets, overdraft protection rules, a 3-day delay for large transfers without a second confirmation, and backup notifications to a second device. A monthly micro audit like this takes less than 20 minutes and prevents most automation mistakes. Pause 0.8 seconds now. Let me give you a simple 4-week plan to implement all of this. Step-by-step. Week 1, connect and audit link accounts. Run the AI audit and identify the top 3 leaks. Week 2, set rules and cancel subs. Create 3 budget rules and cancel at least 2 forgotten subscriptions. Week 3, install price trackers and auto coupons. Add browser extensions or apps for couponing. Set alerts. Week 4, start micro investing and negotiation. Enable roundups. Pick a conservative investment bucket and run a bill check for better plans. Pause 0, 6 South, a few extra best practices from my experience working with processes and automation. Keep small experiments. Test one rule for 2 weeks before adding another. That avoids confusion and helps you measure impact. Maintain one place for financial automation, a single dashboard where rules, alerts, and subscriptions are listed. Too many apps mean fragmentation. Use 2-factor authentication everywhere. Automation increases attack surface, secure it. Document your automations in a simple file. Name the rule, the trigger, and the effect. This helps when you need to debug. Pause 0, 6 South. Quick example to show why automation works. I once set a client to move $50 weekly to savings and enable the rule. That blocks online food deliveries after 9 p.m. in 3 months. They cut dining expenses by 30% and built a $650 emergency fund without noticing a lifestyle change. Because the system did the behavior change for them. Pause 0.6s now. Let's talk about tools. Practical recommendations you can try this week. Budget and audit, Clio. YNAB with AI Insights, or any Plaid integrated dashboard. subscriptions, Rocket Money, or Trim alternatives. Use whichever connects to your bank. Coupons and price tracking, honey, Kamel. Browser couponers with AI suggestions. Micro-investing, apps with roundup features, or low-fee robo-advisors. Choose conservative allocations at first. Bill negotiation, look for services that negotiate on your behalf. Or tools that find better plans in your area. Pick to tools and start. Don't try to automate everything in one day. Pause 0, 6 south before I wrap up. Remember this, automation is not about removing control. It's about reducing friction and preventing human error. You still decide your priorities, automation just enforces them consistently. Pause 0, 8 south if you want. I can make a follow-up video that walks through the exact UI flows of each of these tools. How to connect accounts, how to set rule examples, and what to watch in your monthly review. Leave a comment if that would help. Pause 0, 6 south to recap quickly, connect and audit. Automate budgets with rules. Cancel unused subscriptions. Use price trackers and AI couponers. Automate micro-investing. Use AI to negotiate bills. Schedule monthly review and safety nets. Pause 0, 6 south if you found this helpful. Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell for more practical tech plus money guides. I post weekly at Tech and Money Lab, where we turn smart tech into real savings. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.